Meet the B-Vibe Rimming Plug, the first butt plug to incorporate rotating beads for a rimming sensation, with powerful vibration in the tip, resulting in exhilarating dual stimulation. What's so special about the rimming? Our bodies contain a rainbow of pleasure potential, particularly located in the bum. In fact, there's an abundance of tiny nerve endings located directly at the entry. The rimming plug's rotating beads twirl and tease the most sensitive nerve endings located around the entry or rim. In addition to synthesis areas, pleasure from anal play occurs due to the shared wall between the anus and the P-spot or G-spot, which brings us back to that powerful vibration located in the tip. This vibration provides indirect stimulation of those pleasure zones. But you already knew that, right? The rimming plug can be used with or without the wireless remote control. The rotation and vibration work together or independently. Each motor has 5 intensity levels. The vibrating tip has 6 different modes. The remote works up to 30 feet away, which brings a whole new meaning to the term couples play. Wink, wink. B-Vibe plugs are made with soft, body-safe, seamless silicone. That means it's hypoallergenic, phthalate-free, latex-free, and non-porous. It's waterproof, shower-friendly, and easy to clean. The rechargeable battery will run for approximately 60 minutes on a single charge. The plug is USB rechargeable and requires 2 hours to fully charge. Lucky for you, the battery level indicator flashes when charging is required. You'd like to travel with your B-Vibe? Well, great news! The rimming plug arrives in a convenient, discreet travel case. To avoid any uncomfortable vibration accidents, simply activate the travel lock. One last thing, we want you to know we got your back covered in more ways than one. Our warranty protects this product against defects in material and workmanship for 1 year. Thanks for checking out the B-Vibe Rimming Plug. The pleasure is yours.
Meet Echo Spot.
Hi there.
A compact Echo with a screen that can show you the time, the news, your music, and a whole lot more. With Echo Spot, you can customize Alexa to help you rise and shine.
Alexa, good morning.
Up and at 'em, Tiger. It's 45 degrees with partly cloudy skies. Here's your flash briefing.
Start your day with a forecast, commute times, or the latest trending news. Staying in touch is simple. Call just about anyone hands-free, or make video calls to family and friends with an Echo Spot, Echo Show, or the Alexa app.
Alexa, call Jess.
Calling Jess.
Hey, what's up?
Hey,
Is everything okay?
Just ask to play music from Spotify, Pandora, Amazon Music, and more.
Alexa, play Emily King.
Shuffling songs by Emily King.
Listen through the built-in speaker, or for even more sound, connect Echo Spot to your external or Bluetooth speakers.
Alexa, turn it up.
Echo Spot works with compatible smart devices to set the temperature, turn on the lights, or check in on the little one.
Alexa, show me the nursery.
Okay.
And with the adjustable stand sold separately, you can see everything from the perfect angle.
Good night, little guy.
With tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter, and so will Echo Spot.
Alexa, good night.
Sleep tight.
The all-new Echo Spot from Amazon.
There are two ways of smartphone installation. One is for horizontal shooting, the other one is for vertical shooting. First of all, put our smartphone into the clamp. Move the button to the motor cover of the gimbal and pull the other side of the clamp. Then push our phone in order to fully attach to the motor. Second step, adjust the balance. We need to loose the knob on the electronic arm. Then pull out the electronic arm until we find the balance point. Try to swing our phone. If it can stay still at any angle, it means our phone is balanced. Then screw the knob up directly. For smartphones with smaller size, we can pull the electronic arm to the shuttle's length. If we use the same phone next time, then no need to do balance again. First step is to loose the knob at the backside of the smartphone clamp. Then rotate our phone to 90 degrees and screw the knob up. Fix our phone into the clamp. Loose the knob and move the electronic arm to the shuttle state until our phone is balanced. Finally, you can turn on the gimbal by long pressing the power switch.
Play music on iHeartRadio.
What do you want to hear?
Michael Jackson.
Michael Jackson from iHeartRadio.
Next. Stop. What's in the news?
Here's your flash briefing. From Reddit. Shower thoughts. As a child, I pretended to like carrots for my parents. As an adult, I pretend to like them for my child. I hate carrots.
What's the weather?
Right now in Los Angeles, it's 52 degrees with clear skies. Today's forecast has mostly sunny weather, with a high of 62 degrees and a low of 46 degrees.
Set timer for 5 seconds.
5 seconds, starting now.